Welcome to the desirable The Vintage at Verdigris community in Claremore. At 26525 Belvedere Drive, you'll discover a truly move-in ready experience, custom-built, one-owner home with loads of opportunity for families and entertaining. Enjoying an ideal location in the neighborhood, this home backs to a walking trail that leads to both the elementary and high school in either direction. Inside, you'll find bright, modern finishes and high ceilings throughout. A double-sided fireplace provides ambience for both the main living room and the main floor flex room. The gourmet kitchen provides brand new granite, new appliances, and a walk-in pantry. And don't forget the nearby dining room. The split bedroom floor plan gives your new master suite plenty of privacy, along with a loaded master bath and spacious walk-in closet. Finally, during your personal tour, don't miss the oversized upstairs game room and hideaway private fourth bedroom. With more than enough space for large game tables, media, and more, your new game room's sure to be an instant favorite. Don't miss out. Set up your personal tour today.